Dear students, in my previous video with reference to the President of India, I have taught you the reason for indirect election of the presidential election, and in that four reasons I have taught you. First one, I have taught you that when he will be elected directly, so he will be a rival of the central power. Second point, I have taught you it will be when he will be elected by uh, direct election, so it will be against the parliamentary democracy. And one statement of Nehruji I have also taught, that he stated in the Constituent Assembly we could not have a direct elected president and not give him real power. Means real defect means real power will be vested in the hand of the uh, uh, Prime Minister and Council of Minister. And I have also taught you how President of India will be the voice of entire nation because of his election process, and he will be elected by electoral college, and I have taught in detail in this video, in that video. And in this video I would like to teach you how President of India will be removed from his office. So there are two type of systems are there. First one, suppose if President of India has given resignation, okay, so now is objective question कि President of India will give resignation to whom? Your answer will be there, Vice President. Clear? And who will be the presiding officer of the oath ceremony of the President of India? Your answer is there, Chief Justice of India. Okay, if Chief Justice of India will be not present, so senior most judges of the Supreme Court will be presiding officer. So these important points are there. In this video, dear students, I would like to teach you that how President of India can be removed. President of India is a national head and he is executive head also, and very respected post I have taught you, and he is the voice of entire nation. Then how President of India can be removed? So dear student, first ground I would like to tell you on which ground President of India can be removed. Only one ground is there. If President of India is going to violate the constitution, meaning if proved misbehavior or incapacity is there, then only President of India can be removed by Parliament by special majority, 2/3 majority. In this video, I would like to teach you the proceeding. When a president is to be impeached for violation of the constitution, either the House of the Parliament can be label the charge as follows. A resolution which is moved after at least 14 days, notice period is 14 days. A resolution which is moved after at least 14 days, notice is written, signed by not less than 1/4 of total member. Getting? First point means, suppose President of India is going to be removed. So proceeding, what is the proceeding? First proceeding is there. One notice will be given before 14 days in which respective house member 1/4 member will make signature on that notice. Means suppose if 400 members are there, so 100 member required that they will make signature, then it will be given to speaker. Now then resolution is passed by majority or not less than 2/3 of the total member of the house. When a charge has been so preferred by the either house of the parliament, then other house will investigate the charge, and the president has to right to appear and to be represented at the such investigation. What do you mean by this? Suppose impeachment bill going to initiate by Lok Sabha. So first 1/4 member of the House, Lok Sabha, will make signature and that notice given to Speaker. After that, what will be happening? This resolution will be initiated in either house, suppose Lok Sabha, then second house will set up one investigation committee. What do you mean by this? That what allegation is there imposed by Lok Sabha, this is correct or not. Means investigation, because democracy is there. So if any allegation will be there on anyone, so fair investigation required. So that is the proceeding. And after that, what will be happen? Suppose Rajya Sabha has set up investigation and Rajya Sabha also find that really President of India has violated the constitution and proved misbehavior or incapacity is going on, then resolution will be passed by both house of the parliament by special majority, not by normal majority, general majority, special majority. Special majority means 2/3 majority. 2/3 majority means suppose in any house 300 members are there, so 2/3 means 200 members. Support required means approval required. So by that one, President of India can be removed from his office. Now, if as a result of the investigation, a resolution is passed by the majority not less than 2/3 of the total member of the House by which the charge was investigated, declared that the charge has been sustained, such resolution will have the effect on removing the president from his office on same day. Okay. One more point I would like to mention. Suppose President of India, the proceeding of the President of India, removal of the President of India has been started in Lok Sabha. So when investigation will be started, so President of India will be given notice 14 days before. I have taught you. Then President of India having right that he can appear before the investigation committee, or he can send his representative to go before the investigation committee, and he can explain his mistake. So that is the proceeding. So in conclusion, how President of India will be removed. So first one, ground I have taught you. Question, write down. So 2 questions you write down regarding this impeachment bill. First point, write down impeachment bill, in bracket write removal of the President of India. So first point you can write that President of India can be removed from his office by impeachment bill. Second point, impeachment bill can be initiated either house of the parliament. What is the meaning? Means impeachment bill can be initiated either house of the parliament, means can be initiated in Lok Sabha, can be Rajya Sabha, no issue. When first house, next point, when first house will impose any allegation, then second house will set up one investigation committee. And last point, if both houses of the parliament will pass the resolution against the President of India by 2/3 majority, then President of India will be removed from his office. Now question is there, on same day President of India can be removed or next day? Your answer is there, same day. Which day President of India, which day Parliament has passed the impeachment bill? One more question I would like to mention here. In which article the impeachment bill procedure is given? Your answer is there, Article 61. So dear students, only this much in this video, and next day I will come with another video. Thank you. So one more point, let me conclude this chapter. Single transferable vote system. What do you mean by this? Under the single transferable vote system, all candidates are listed and the electors give them a member according to his preference. Means, suppose if there are five candidates, so one member of electoral college can give vote, first priority vote, second priority vote, third priority vote, fourth priority vote. On the ballot paper, and there are candidate. Once the voter are cast, the first preference vote are counted. If any candidate get as absolute majority of the more than 50 of the vote, he will be elected. If no candidate is able to get absolute majority in the first preference vote, then candidate who has secured at least vote is eliminated and the second preference vote are taken into the consideration. The process of elimination continued until the candidate get absolute majority and he is declared elected. What do you mean by this? How voting will be there? I have taught you. Single transferable vote system as proportional representation is a system is there in presidential election. Suppose कि there are 4 members and Mr. Mahendra is member of Lok Sabha going to cast his vote. Suppose he has given first priority vote to him, second priority vote to him, third priority vote to him and fourth priority vote to him. One member given 4 vote. So after voting, vote will be counted. Suppose first priority vote will be counted. So and any candidate not got 50% plus 1 vote. Then what will be happening? Second priority vote will be counted. And after second priority vote, if any candidate got 50 plus 1, then election is over. So in this video, thank you dear, and next video I will come with another topic. Thank you.